Hi, this is Ken at IPD. One of the common issues for people to have with P2 all-wheel drive cars is rear tire wear issues. That comes both from tow, which we use tow rods for, and from camber issues. Now the camber is more difficult to deal with on these cars. These are our IPD offset camber bushings. I don't know if you can see, but the hole here is offset from the center, and by rotating the bushing into different positions when it's installed on the car, you can gain up to 1.5 degrees in or out on the adjustment to fix camber issues with the car. We know that this is not an easy install. This is not something you can do in your driveway, and is something that really needs to go to a shop with advanced tools and experience for this install. But it can save you a lot of money in tire wear and tire replacement in the long run. Let's go to the shop and we'll have Chris show you how these actually work on the vehicle.
Thanks, Ken. Chris here, and I'm standing underneath the 2004 V70R all-wheel drive model. I just wanted to give you a quick visual of where the rear offset camber bushings are installed. There's one on each side of this actual rear subframe. They attach to the control arm, and by installing these or rotating this offset hole allows you to push the rear control arm in or out, adjusting camber. Now, like Ken mentioned, this is something that you really can't install in your driveway or in your garage. We highly recommend you take this to an independent shop or a Volvo repair facility that can get some specifications off the camber before they actually install these. Once these rear camber bushings are installed, it's definitely going to help maximize the life of your rear tires. Even on our own Stage 3 project car, we were running into significant camber issues. Once we installed these, we were able to get the car back within specs, helping maximize the life of your rear tires. This is a tire that came off the back of our 2004 V70R Stage 3 project car after about 8,000 miles being on the car. You can clearly see that there's cords showing on the inside edge here. Now, when you lower a car, camber becomes an issue, or getting the car back within the right camber settings. That's why we installed our adjustable camber bushings to help get the car back to the proper alignment specs to maximize the tires or the longevity of the tires. Tires are definitely expensive, especially if you're running an oversized tire like we do in a 19-inch. Now let's get this back in the studio where Ken can wrap this up for you.
So that's how these work under the car. These can help you significantly with tire expenses in the long run on all-wheel drive vehicles. They're currently available on our website. If you have any questions, www.ipdusa.com or 800-444-6473.